To get your message out to over 2 million homes, call Positive Promotions at 302-292-3994 or log on to our website at PosProTV.com.
I'm telling you, I'm excited. This is, of course, a good friend of mine, Kevin. I don't know that she likes you too much, but you know,
she doesn't.
Being a Texas girl, being a Texas, well, you know, Texas like everybody, so you know. But being a Texas girl, of course, it was a pleasure to have you come out today and see us, and all the way from Dallas, Texas, up my home. And how's the weather?
Oh, hot.
Yeah.
It's 102 or something like that.
I was talking to my mom. She says it's been in 3 digits all summer long. So good old Texas, man. I miss that heat.
Yeah, so it's nice to be here in Delaware. Plus, I'm staying.
It's nice and cool.
Here I'm national celebrity.
It's nice and cool, 94 degrees here in Delaware right now. But I want to talk to you, Michelle. This, of course, Michelle Moore. Before we get to the TV, I mean, let's talk about career-wise, because you, I guess, have been a lawyer for quite some time now.
I've been a lawyer for 18 years. I work for the Dallas County Public Defender's Office, and I specifically work as a DNA attorney there.
Right, and when you say that, of course, you go out here because you were president. You were an organization. What organization was that? 25 years.
I was with the Innocence Project of Texas, one of the founding members of that.
Yeah, and that is to get.
What we do is we go in, inmate supply, and say that they're innocent. They write to us.
Wasn't nothing new.
I didn't do it.
They come in and ask for DNA testing. So the ones where the cases look good, we go in and do the DNA testing. And we've had a lot of success in Dallas. In fact, the success has been so great, we've locked out 20 men at this point.
Yeah, and you're talking about now 20 men that were serving time in prison, and some of them as many as how many years?
Our average is probably 20 years, the most that any of the men have
Innocent
served.
men sitting in jail.
Yeah.
So big hand for Michelle and her DNA out there. I mean, that is, because that's great work. I mean, and you've been doing it for a long time. And then all of a sudden, somebody came along, and I didn't think of it,
Which is odd, because usually you do.
Yeah. Dallas DNA, the television show, and you guys got to be really excited about that. I think they're going into their 2nd season now.
We are. We're hoping they pick up the 2nd season. We're waiting right now. It's on Investigation Discovery Channel. It's been airing on Tuesdays, but then they have some marathons that are playing as well.
Right.
So,
anytime it's on one of those channels, you're guaranteed to see it if you go there sometime or another, because they rerun things quite a bit.
Right.
But a great program, and I'm amazed at how many people claim their innocence and make you guys go through what you go through, because it ain't a matter of just saying, okay, you guys got to get permission, you got to do all this, there's a lot more work to it. And then you come back, because I've seen a few of those where you sit there and you're not innocent. The DNA's there.
Hey, but you've been on life, a life prisoner for whatever. You're on death row. Take a shot. Maybe I didn't do it.
Yeah. But that's got to be very frustrating. Because the money that you guys need is very expensive.
It is, and it costs about $5,000 a test on the average for these guys. So, man, you hate to waste that money on somebody who actually did it.
Yeah, because I've seen it in your face.
You should put them in jail if they lie.
I know.
Is that all you do there at the prosecutor's office? I mean, it's pretty much just strictly the DNA testing? I
do the DNA testing, but now we're running into cases where there's no DNA to test, but it looks like a really good case. So we call those actual innocence cases, and so we do those as well, but they take a long time.
Oh, yeah, because there again, that circumstantial evidence. Back in the old days, they just like to, okay, that case is solved. It's close the books on that and everything.
Judge Roy Bean, baby.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah, but it's always a pleasure having you come down. If I see something on the bottom here, I don't know if it's a website or something. Do you guys have something out there? You probably can see this, or do you need glasses like me?
Well, it is the Investigation Discovery Channel.
Okay.
And it is investigation.discovery.com/TV/Dallas DNA.
How you like the way I did that? So you instead of just asking you, you remember the website to get in touch with them. I'm telling you, Michelle, I love you to death. You know that. And
thanks so much for having me.
We do get you to come to town a lot more. We won't reveal why, but we get to see you quite a bit.
Dun dun dun.
Yeah. And we just lucked out because it was funny because you and I met and we're talking, and next thing you know, I've been chasing this for 20 years. Next thing you know, I'm watching TV and she's on a national show, and I'm still saying, well, maybe she'll come down and see us. Michelle, thank you so much for coming.
Thank
Big
you.
hand for Michelle Morris. Tay Wins. Be right back after this.
To find out more about the Tim Qualls Show and other Positive Promotion productions, then log on to our website at www.posprotv.com.